Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to send a text message on Messenger. Whether you're chatting with a friend, a family member, or a colleague, sending a message is fast and super simple. Let's jump right in. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap to open it, Messenger will automatically load your most recent chats. Next, if you already see the person you want to message right there, just tap on their name to open the conversation. If not, no problem. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and start typing the name of the person you want to message. Messenger will show you matching results as you type. When their name appears, tap it to open the chat. Now that you're inside the chat box, you'll notice the text field at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type your message. Tap inside the box and your keyboard will pop up. Type your message, anything you'd like to say. You can keep it short or write a longer note if you want. Once your message looks good, it's time to send it. Look for the small paper plane icon on the right side of the text box. That's your send button. Tap it and your message will instantly appear in the chat, ready for your friend to read. And that's it. You've just sent a text message on Messenger. It's that easy. With a few quick taps, you can stay connected and keep your conversations going anytime and any